कोलकाता में महिला डॉक्टर के साथ हुए घटना के विरोध में पूरे देश में विरोध प्रदर्शन हो रहा है। बिहार के सबसे बड़े अस्पताल पीएमसीएच में भी इसको लेकर डॉक्टर विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं। हमारे साथ कुछ महिला डॉक्टर हैं, उनसे बात करते हैं। मैम, आज आप लोग विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रही हैं।
हम लोग सबसे ज़्यादा सेफ्टी चाहते हैं और मरीजों का इलाज हम लोगों का प्रथम कर्तव्य है। हम लोग करते ही रहे हैं, लेकिन सबसे पहले तो हम लोग अपना सेफ्टी देखेंगे। जो अभी कलकत्ता आरजी कार मेडिकल कॉलेज में हुआ, उसको कौन कहेगा कि ये सही बात है। इसके लिए तो उनको पकड़ के, उनकी सरकार को उनको पकड़ के तुरंत फांसी देना चाहिए। यही हमारा सरकार से ये है, आग्रह है कि वो इसके ऊपर जल्द से जल्द कदम बढ़ाएं और हमारी सरकार, जो हमारे स्टेट की सरकार, वो भी सपोर्ट करें इसमें, जिससे कि बंगाल के बच्चों को आगे बढ़ने में सहायता मिले।
बंगाल में जो है महिला मुख्यमंत्री हैं, ऐसे महिला डॉक्टर के साथ हुआ है और पूरा मामला था, उसको लेकर क्या कहेंगे? क्या लगता है कि लापरवाही बरती गई?
ये तो अपने आप में बहुत शर्मिंदगी वाली बात है। किसी भी महिला के साथ ऐसा होना, हम समझते हैं इससे बढ़ के और कोई अत्याचार हो नहीं सकता। जो पुरातन काल में महाभारत में हुआ, वही आज हमारे देश में फिर से दोहराया गया है। मैं इसकी भर्त्सना करती हूँ।
क्या मांग है सरकार से आप लोग की? क्या मांग करेंगे आगे सरकार से? क्या मांग करेंगे आप लोग?
सरकार से मांग करेंगे कि जल्द से जल्द उनको पकड़ के और उचित न्याय मिले हमको, और हमारे सेफ्टी की व्यवस्था हो, जिससे हमारे बच्चे जो पीजी स्टूडेंट हैं, जूनियर डॉक्टर्स हैं, अपना कर्तव्य रात में भी अच्छी तरह से निभा सकें।
तो ये थे पीएमसीएच के डॉक्टर, जिनका कहना था कि जो आरोपी हैं उनको फांसी की सजा मिले और साथ ही साथ जो डॉक्टर हैं, खास करके महिला डॉक्टर हैं, उनकी सुरक्षा व्यवस्था के लिए सरकार जो है मुकम्मल इंतजाम करे। कैमरा पर्सन के साथ शक्ति, इंडिया न्यूज़, पटना।
Today in all over country the protest has been made, and currently I am standing at JJ Hospital in Mumbai, and here also the doctors, resident doctors are doing the protest in a large amount. All the doctors have been gathered over here and they are doing the protest. As you can see by the cards as well, they are holding the posters and they are saying for the justice. As here also the poster has been made out by the Maharashtra State Association of Resident Doctors, from which the protest was been announced, and now the doctors and all the resident doctors as well as the nurse are also doing the protest over here. We'll talk to some of the doctors as well, and we'll see that what they want and what was the protest behind this. Sir, today the protest has been, you are doing the protest over here. What is your demands and what you want to say about this?
See, actually, this incident is the incident, whatever happened, is actually unfortunate, and we are demanding this Protection and CPA Act for this. Whatever happened, we want support from everyone, so that we don't feel any lonely in these things, because we are actually doing a lot of tremendous work and strenuous works, and here in this condition, if such incidents happen, it will lower our morale, and it actually don't give us more confidence to give our services to service. So we are actually here to demand that we need protection, we need this thing. That is the only demand here.
As doctors are demanding for the protection as well, we'll talk to the female doctors as well, as the protest was been made because of the way the tragic incident happened in the West Bengal. We'll talk to them also, ma'am. Ma'am, today you are doing the protest. So what are your demands and why this protest has been taking place?
So first of all, we are already aware the conditions female doctors have to work in, especially in India. There are no proper on-call rooms. We are getting up late at 3 or 4 o'clock in the night. We have no security around. So we know the crime that happened in Calcutta. I don't need to be explicit about it. So our basic demand is the crime that keeps on happening, the crime which happened, that was a crime. Trying to break down the construction site, trying to destroy evidence, that is a crime. Trying to do a mob attack on peacefully protesting doctors, that is a crime as well. Knowing the suspects and still not being put behind bars, that is a crime. So until and unless the crime stops against women, the crime stops against peacefully protesting doctors, we are not going to stop. We will continue seeking for justice.
If I talk about right now, all the resident doctors and doctors are outside doing the protest. So who is treating the patients inside?
So we have already specified in our letters that elective services and OPDs will be stopping, but emergency services are continuing. So all emergency patients are being treated at the hospital at present, and even we resident doctors are still on emergency shifts. So that has not stopped yet, and it will not stop in any time in the future also.
So this is the way the doctors are protesting, and also the way the doctors are protesting, and still the OPDs and everything is off, and as emergencies is still going on, and all the senior doctors are attending the patients as well. With video journalist Anil Shinde, Prathamesh, NewsX, Mumbai.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.